Isaiah chapter 53 verses 1 to 6.
Who has believed our message, and to whom has the arm of the Lord been revealed? He grew up before him like a tender shoot and like a root out of dry ground. He had no beauty or majesty to attract us to him. Nothing in his
Appearance.
that we should desire him.
He was despised,
He was despised and rejected by mankind, a man of suffering and familiar with pain, like one from whom people hide their faces.
he was despised,
He was despised,
and we held him
held him
in low esteem.
Surely he took up our pain and bore our suffering, yet we considered
Him
him
punished by God,
punished by God,
stricken by
him, and afflicted. But he was pierced for our transgression.
he was
He was crushed for our
iniquities.
iniquities, as
The punishment
that brought us peace was on him,
and by
and by his wounds we are healed. We all like sheep have gone astray. Each of us has turned to
our own way,
and the Lord has laid
on him
on him
the iniquity
the iniquity